Hi, this is ninth day of communication skill enhancement practice. Uh, in making these videos, my intent is to inspire people to practice daily, to acquire a skill or learn a skill. To learn and acquire a skill, we need a daily practice. We cannot acquire a skill by just paying to somebody or just one day practice or 2 day practice. We have to acquire a skill or mastery a skill by daily practice. it it may long time, it may take longer time, and we have to be patient. So same thing I am doing. I am not a English expert, but what I am doing is I am improving my communication skill in English language by practicing. The way by practicing may be not the best way, but what I have learned from different mentors, that 10 minutes daily video making, 30 minutes watching of English interviews, other reading, writing in, if not possible writing in paper, writing WhatsApp, writing in, when you are writing others, you can write in a formal manner. That's I have learned from the earlier videos. So that in that way we can immerse ourselves through that learning. We will not go for will not think for other. Will our thought, we control our thoughts, and we just immerse ourselves in particular these things to learn these things and acquire these things. Communication skill is a very important skill to grow in our career. So the one thing common between you and me is we all want to grow in life, but sometimes we struggle. Because of what? Because of our lack of preparedness. Sometimes we lacking our preparedness because we do not know what to prepare and how to prepare. The one skill I identify is communication skill in English language is a skill which we need to prepare. If you are doing business, if you are doing job, if you are doing anything, you need to communicate people, and you need to communicate people in English language. If you have to go further, if you are somewhere where the local language is working, that is okay. But if you have to grow further, then you have to learn English language. So practicing English language and both communication skills is required. So 3 things what I have learned, as I have told that I will share my learnings, and in the way I will practice my English speaking skill and communication skills. And 3 things what I have learned from different mentors. The one thing which is the major first thing is, do not compare with other, because when we compare with a very expert, and we will think that we cannot become like him. And if we compare with a very person who do not know anything, then we will think that I am an expert, and we will not try to improve. So comparing will not help us to grow. So do not compare with others. If we know that our communication skill is not good, that is okay. You can go for good mentors and learn from them and practice them. So one thing is, do not compare. If somebody is good, that is okay. Somebody is bad, that is also okay. What we are doing, we are practicing daily communication skills. We are making video. We can watch that video where I am doing something wrong, that may be some grammatical mistakes, some words which we are not able to recall. Maybe we learn that word. Something which is pronounced wrongly, maybe we can improve that pronunciation. So we are reviewing our own video and improving. We are just checking what we are doing wrong, and we are improving in that manner. So one thing is, we will not compare anybody with with us, and we will just compare our previous videos and learn which mistakes we are doing, which word we are not getting recall, and we will learn that thing. And the next time we will do it, chances is there our mistake will be lessened. So that one thing will help to improve communication. And second thing is not going for result, not going for immediate result, because when we are doing practicing communication skills, speaking English, then we'll watch the video that may not look that good, that means that may not be look world class, or that may not be look a very high standards, that may be look very poor standard. But we do not do, please do not demotivate with that video. Just make another video and try to remove some mistakes, then make another video and try to minimize some other mistakes. Just go on making videos and try to minimize the mistakes, but without practice it will not possible. Because two example I can give. One example, if you want to swim, and the trainer will be give you some theoretical ways of swimming. He will explain you in some boards. He will give you some board and explain various things of swimming details, and he will make you practicing of that all theoretical questions answering. Is it will really work for swimming practice? No, because how much theory will know, that is okay. Learning theory is not bad, but we have to jump in the pool. We have to jump in the pool and practice. And at the time of practice, too much wrong thing can happen. But when we'll jump in the pool day by day, every day there will be improvement, significant improvement after 1 week, after 1 month. Continuous learning swimming will make one day a good swimmer. Same thing happen while driving a car. Driving car cannot be learned just by theory. You cannot learn by reading a book. Driving car can be learned only when we are driving the car. Yes, we don't know how to driving the car. There is a risk, but we have to take the risk, and we have to practice driving the car slowly. We have to practicing. We are going to somewhere else, some open field, some here we are practicing some places where the public is not there, that much not public is there, so we can practice easily. So by daily practicing, by some days, some weeks, or maybe some month, we are expert in driving a car. So driving a car, swimming, being a swimmer is the same thing like improving our communication skill. Being a very good communicator cannot be done in a single day. It cannot be done also theoretically. Also cannot be done if we listen something. If we just listening and reading and writing, it will not help, because we are not practicing the exact thing which we really need. We really need to speak. In communication we have to speak, so we have to speaking practice more and more with other friends also, other colleagues also, and making videos. Making video is more impacting because there is a record that we can see what is happening and where we are struggling. We have to see our struggle and find our fault. Just to go on adding something, or maybe it may be some adding some words, learning some words, learning some grammatical knowledge, listening something in someone is speaking, how the person is speaking. So different sources of learning is there. We can adapt one source and improve that. But practicing is the key, and improving by finding our mistakes will be very, very helpful to be a good communicator. What I am trying to do, I am not a very good communicator, but what I am doing is I am daily practicing and I am trying to inspiring other to practice daily, not to just communicate well or not to just to speak in English, but for any other skill. If a person want to learn some skill, he has to practice daily, and by day practice it will definitely improve. Please subscribe my channel if you think that it is valuable to you. Thanks.